Even though regular sobriety tests for employees are a usual practice in many companies, there is still 1% of employees in Lithuania who come to work under the influence of alcohol every day. Are you sure this problem does not exist in your company? The automated system, Work Sober, can help you avoid all risks and problems. Artificial intelligence-based biometric facial recognition technology ensures a reliable inspection. With the use of Work Sober, only recognized and sober employees can enter a workplace. Employees under the influence of alcohol cannot enter the workplace. An additional sobriety test using a straw indicates a precise amount of alcohol and ensures data reliability. The system, Work Sober, is created to ensure that managers are immediately notified about employees who are under the influence of alcohol. Immediate and reliable sobriety tests help to avoid any unpleasant incidents. The information collected in the portal, Work Sober, can easily be analysed and assessed. Managers can immediately check which employees are under the influence of alcohol. Detailed information of all violations is provided in a simple and convenient manner. The system, Work Sober, records attempts to cheat on the test. This information can also be easily checked in the portal. It also provides information on the employee tests of the current day. It clearly indicates the time employees arrived and left the workplace. The automated data collection allows managers to analyze the workload of an employee within a chosen period, and also to examine weekly and monthly records. The system, Work Sober, notifies about the employee's health condition. If an employee has a fever, the manager is notified immediately, and the employee cannot enter the industrial premises. The inspection system helps to ensure compliance with the safety requirements during the COVID-19 pandemic. After the verification of identity, the employee is notified about the status of the national certificate. With the use of this system, only healthy employees who hold a valid national certificate can enter the industrial premises. Safe environment at work equals happy employees and increased efficiency. It is possible with Work Sober.